Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung TV displays update error code 800 while trying to install new software, don't worry because this issue is more common than many users realize. Network interruptions, welcome rate server problems, or corrupted update data can sometimes prevent the Samsung TV from downloading or completing the latest firmware update. Fortunately, error code 800 doesn't necessarily indicate a serious problem with the television itself. In many cases, a few simple troubleshooting methods can help restore the update process. Before attempting advanced repairs, there are several easy checks worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that may help fix Samsung TV update error code 800. Try these. Step 1. Restart the Samsung TV and close any ongoing update attempts. Step 2. Verify that the Samsung TV is connected to a stable internet connection. Step 3. Power cycle the router and reconnect the Samsung TV to the network. Step 4. Check the software update settings available on the Samsung TV. Step 5. Retry the firmware update on the Samsung TV after a few minutes. Step 6. Confirm that the Samsung TV completes the update successfully.